The force of nature, our land, our nature, our identity. We only have one planet Earth, but if we continue consuming at the same pace as we do today, by 2050 we will need 3 planets. I close my eyes so I can see. It's time for change. It's time for new directions, for a new future, for a new world. It's time for a new life, for a new story. Once they traveled to you. Now we travel with them. Be unique, be you, be kind to nature. This is the force of nature, the force of creativity. If the clothes that we use every day has an impact on our society and our planet, we have to make a wise choice, so that impact is a positive one. Our materials are good with nature. Are you ready for a new future? Are you in?